Introducing Hirose's POM2 series, a compact push-on-lock coaxial connector for high-frequency signal transmission up to 6 GHz. Designed for board-to-board and cable-to-board RF connections, the POM2 offers a small footprint, secure locking, and stable performance for measurement equipment, wireless devices, and communication systems. Key features of the POM2 series include high-frequency performance supporting stable RF signal transmission to 6 GHz, cable-to-board and board-to-board option for 15mm stack height with a 3-piece connection. It tolerates displacement of 0.4 mm in X and Y and plus 1 mm range in Z to support assembly flexibility. 50 ohm characteristic impedance with low V.S.W.R, 1.4 max to 6 GHz. Compact push-on lock design and operates in a range of -40°C to 85°C with durable gold-plated contacts. The POM2 series is ideal for high-frequency system designs, including RF modules, measuring instruments, wireless communication devices, and base stations, where compact coaxial interconnects require stable signal performance and simplified board alignment. Stay ahead of the curve with the POM2 series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.